guys, Rhino here. So it's been a slow month for me. Like you know, we hardly had anything to do this month, but it's cool. So I got a call for a guy who is on I want to say a Chevy or a Tahoe or something like that, and he's stuck on sand. So it should be a fairly easy recovery. We're going somewhere close to El Cajon Pass right here on Silverado, and once I get there, you know, I'll just keep recording. As you can see, once you hit the 15 freeway going north, the traffic got really heavy, you know, due to Thanksgiving travel. And the owner tried to take a detour to avoid the traffic. He took a trail. He didn't know the trail really good, so he ended up getting stuck. On the video, you're gonna see another people doing the same, only they took the trail on the other side of the railroad tracks. Okay, so we are at the entrance now of the road. Let me see. It says that I should go down the road. Look, we need to go here to this point and then come this way, okay? So let me know when we get to that. Can you see the map? River. Somehow we have to get in here, but I'm not sure how. Alright, so I think, because I don't see any.
I think we took the wrong
street?
Yes, we're back. There's a road right here.
Maybe through the train tracks. So let's go check it out. Just give me. Okay, so there's a way this way. Let's see, can we go this way? There's cars on the other side. Whoa, that really sucked with the gravel. I'm still on two-wheel drive. Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh yeah. Hey, look at what the dust that we're doing. Yeah, gravel right here. Very neat. That's cool. Forward ride just to make sure. here. No wonder why he just stopped. but I don't see the owner. I don't think there's anyone. Oh, they're not here. So where'd they go? Way up there. Alright, let's see. Let me give him a call. Alright, so the owner, somebody came and picked him up and went to get something to eat. You know, he's been here for a while, so he should be back in about 5 minutes, he said. I mean, I see why he got stuck, you know, he was trying to push against the rock over there. But it shouldn't be anything hard at all. Here comes the train. That's the owner right there, walking over here. It's like walking in completely darkness, you know. Of course, there's a flashlight, but still. Yeah, that's him.
Oh, y viene con su baby. Creo que es un niño, sí.
¿Qué onda? ¿No te molesta salir en YouTube? ¿No hay problema? Árale. ¿Qué tal la caminata? How was the walk? Sí. Careful, mijo. Ten cuidado ahí. No te deja, ¿verdad? Ok. Mira, nada más préndela, te voy a jalar para atrás. You know. ¿Sí hablas inglés, verdad? Sí. Porque aquí tengo que hablar un poco de inglés. So just turn around, I'm gonna put you back. Then I will turn around and put you forward. ¿Sí sabes el camino para salir de aquí? You know the way out?
Yeah.
Va a ser aquí by the train tracks, right? Órale pues, ahorita la agarramos ahí. bad, but you know, he might get stuck, so I'm still pulling him. Yeah, it almost got stuck, I could feel it. Well, another job done by Rhino Cornery. It's done. So I'm gonna hook him up and he'll be on his way home. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.